Hello friends. So as you know that CLAT 2021 exam has been postponed, but that the exact date is not confirmed yet. So what happening that the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic and the rising number of cases, it is only natural that candidates are under so much pressure. Candidates are losing patience because of the delay in exams. Anybody can lose the patience, and it is very natural. And the pandemic, on the other hand, is making them feel uneasy regarding their safety and well being. However, candidate can't afford to go off track in their CLAT exam preparations. Yes, you can't afford it. If you become hopeless this time, if you lose your confidence, then your result will be disaster, man. So here I bring you something useful tips to stay motivated and keep on top of your CLAT preparations 2021s. So let's talk about how to prepare for CLAT 2021 in time of COVID-19. The period of lockdown has definitely forced many candidates to recheck their CLAT preparations strategy. Keep these tips in mind to beat the blues and come out on top. So I would say first you should go through the syllabus and pattern very carefully. While preparing for CLAT, refer to the syllabus to know what is needed and what is not. The CLAT questions paper will have 5 sections. First section would be English language. There will be 20 to 28 to 30 questions around, roughly 20% of the paper. Current affair, including general knowledge, legal reasonings, logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude test. So for the test structure given above or given just before, it is clear that legal reasonings and current affair sections are most important part of the test as they carry the maximum weightage. So candidates should understand the test structure and priorities of the sections as per their weightage in the test. But yeah, of course, the quantitative techniques and the logical reasoning are more scoring also, like it's like mathematics. If you remember in 10th board exams, in 12th board exams, our teacher used to say that math is very scoring subjects and physics is very scoring subjects. How is science? Because these are, if you know the formula, you would definitely answer the questions. Let's talk about social science. If you answer something wrong in a one paragraph, they will cut your marks. But in the mathematics, if you write the formula and give the right calculations, then done, you got the full marks. This is why I would say every topic is very important, but if according to weightage here, the current affair, general knowledge and legal reasonings are important here. So you should be very careful about your preparations and your strategy. So you should focus on your reading skills and speed. As fast you can read, while you read and understand, as fast as you can answer. Very simple. So reading and understanding is the fast way to answer any questions. If you remember, our teachers used to say while we were in classes, they said you should listen carefully everything, and you should listen fast. You should go with the teacher. So as he say, we getting what our teacher is saying, and we can answer whatever he asks next moment. So this apply on reading as well. So CLAT is comprehensions based test. Almost all questions will be based on comprehensions passage of 300 to 450 words. So candidates who want to score well in exam should have good reading skills along with the ability to read complex legal text quickly. Bro, here time matter. This is a entrance exam. This is not your what you say, the class test paper or something surprise paper where you have few questions and a lot of time. You need to do fast here. You need to faster than time here. Last year, many students had reported that they could not complete the test due to the long and complex passage. Thus, the candidate should be aware of the aspect of the test. The reading ability can improve by practicing more comprehension based question asked in law entrance exams. In addition to this, reading legal journals, books, newspaper are always recommended for CLAT preparation. And the next tips I would like to give you the practice CLAT sample paper and last year papers. The website of NLUs has provided a good number of sample papers for CLAT, and candidates should solve these sample papers in time bound manner. You should practice according to time. And the previous year paper on CLAT will also be very helpful in understanding the test and its difficulty level. After attempting the sample paper, candidates should analyze the outcomes and identify the area where they need to focus more and prepare better. Next tip I want to give is that read newspaper daily. For CLAT exam, it is always recommended to read newspaper daily. A big part of current affairs, general knowledge, legal aptitude, English comprehensions can be dealt with by reading newspaper daily. Candidates should give special focus on news analysis. It's not like you reading every single news. No, you shouldn't read the crime news. You just need to read the important news, like the news important to national issues and international issues, international affairs. Those topic, those persons, key figures are the who are in news. You should remember those things and what events happening, sports events and economic and financial events and geopolitical situations of the world around you and whatever. There are so many. You can, when you read the news, you will find what is important for you, what is not important, and you can ignore the non-important thing and read the important thing. That's all I want to say here. So candidate should give a special focus on news analysis, legal and political news, editorial and articles. The editorial section will help you with the comprehension based questions. In case the physical newspaper are not accessible due to lockdown, you can download the PDF links. Every newspaper have the PDFs. Every day they publish online. You can get online every single day. And the next tip I would like to give you that refer to online resources. Most of the study material of CLAT preparations are available online in various format. In case that traditional resources are not accessible due to lockdown, a student should find a CLAT study material online. The CLAT official website is a great learning resource where study material are available free of cost. YouTube videos on current affair, general knowledge can be very helpful. CLAT preparations, similarly, there are many educational websites that provide all types of CLAT study material free of cost. So if you want more video about preparations, CLAT preparations, I would like to give you more resourceful links. Please comment in box which topic you want to learn, and I will definitely provide whatever I can provide you best. And in the last, I would like to give you some tips about being healthy, and this is very universal tips, but you should listen it. The tips to stay healthy: so do physical exercise regularly to stay active and fit. See, there is a saying in Sanskrit, alasya manushanam sarirasto mahan satruaste, that laziness is the biggest enemy in the human body. So do physical exercise to stay active. I'm not saying you go gym and you have to be bodybuilder. Just do exercise, do yoga at least, and do simple yoga at least, and wake up early, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Make such a routine. See, one thing I noticed, few students, they sleep whole the day and they study in the night. That is totally wrong. If you ask them, you check their eyes, they have dark circles in under their eyes. They are so unhealthy. I have tried this routine once a few years ago, and it doesn't work. It make you so unhealthy. So sleep in night and study in daytime. So do physical exercise. And the second tips for being healthy is avoid crowded place and stay indoors. Unless anything is very important, you shouldn't come out. And this is what I'm doing while making this video. I'm not going anywhere. I'm working in daytime and making videos in evening. I want to share whatever knowledge I have, whatever skills I have, to the best I can do. That's all I'm doing, and that's all you should do, because you are preparing for a very important exams. All reasonable precautions to avoid COVID-19 infection. Take a healthy and nutritious diet. Make use of online learning resources for CLAT preparations. So this is all I would like to suggest. See, a teacher can guide you, a teacher can tell you something. He can give you 2%. That's what I think. But 90% of success part you should do, because you are going to attempt that exam, you are going to prepare for that exam, and you are going to eat that fruit, because it's all going to be yours. So if you're going to be in great national law university, if you want to be in a national law university, so stay focused, keep calm and study. And this is all. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channels, because I'm going to bring more and more updates